Guess who's back?
Hey.
Hey. I guess we should introduce you since it's been so long since you've been on here.
My name's Ruthie.
My name's Ruthie.
I'm his daughter. I almost
My
said
daughter.
Daddy's daughter.
She got her hair did today. What did you just get it more blonder, I guess?
I got a little bit of highlights.
Highlights. Anyway, she asked me recently. I might have asked you, but you asked me if we could do it, but I don't remember if I kind of bugged her a little bit. Yeah, I kind of bugged her a little bit about maybe coming back out here, and so she came out here, and we came out, and I said, see what you want to build, and even though she didn't finish that Corvette, and
I kind of forgot about it.
yeah, it's over there. It's somewhere right here.
Buried somewhere.
There it is over there, and
In the box?
it's right there. So it's just, I put it all back in the box because I didn't figure she was going to finish it. So anyway, came out here and she said she wanted to build a Porsche. And this typically isn't something I thought she would.
Nice.
There's the air compressor. Not typically what I thought she would want to build.
Well,
I'll be right back. Okay, what I was saying is I wouldn't typically think she would have picked. Well, I kind of did help you sort of pick this because.
Well, I said I wanted a Porsche.
So she.
And, then you
And why did you want a Porsche?
Because that's my dream car.
It's your
Porsche
dream car.
911 in cream gray.
Oh, 911. Okay. So if you guys have an extra Porsche laying around to fulfill her dream car wishes, because Daddy ain't gonna be able to do that. So anyway, what she said she wanted to build a Porsche, and I started looking at the different Porsche kits I had. I have that 911 right there, and it's a Fujimi. And then I have that 85 911 up there, which I don't know what year that one is. But anyway, this is all about Ruthie. But pulled that one down, and those Fujimi kits are loaded with parts. And I did build, where the heck is that thing? I built this one right here, and it was much of a pain kind of in the engine compartment stuff. Anyway, so I said, Ruthie, those are going to be very heavy in parts. And I said, but what about this one? And so, because it's a curbside, and it's low parts count, but I think she can put her little twist on it. It's a race car, but we can change up the wheels, give her something with tread, wheels and tires. I happen to know a guy that can 3D print some wheels and tires, and she can change the paint color and make it kind of a street racer. I think that's kind of what would be like. Still have the roll cage and all. It has one seat. Right, where's the seat at, Ruthie? Can you point to the seat? Yeah, that's it.
I'm kidding.
So it's only got one seat, so I've got some cool 3D printed seats that we can put in it. And yeah, what color? Have you even thought about that?
Probably cream gray. I don't know.
Cream
That's
gray?
what I want.
Oh, like a light gray?
Yeah.
I've never heard of cream gray.
It's like a creamy gray color.
We could probably mix something. I don't know about making gray look like that, but anyway. So it's pretty cool. It's got photo etch parts. So all these grills here are photo etched. So it's going to be a race car on the street, because it is still a street car. Still got blinkers and all that stuff. And take the Jägermeister. I mean, don't put those on the headlights. So it'll be a street race car. So pretty cool. I think it's going to look nice. And it's a very well made Tamiya kit, so she'll enjoy this. Don't think you built the, oh no, you built the where's it at? I got one up here somewhere. The pumpkin mobile, which is hiding. Poor little guy. But it's going to show its face hopefully this weekend. It's right there. There's the pumpkin mobile. And it was a monogram. And too much modifications. This one's going to have no modifications. How about that, Ruthie? Is that okay with you? So we'll have maybe some 3D printed wheels and tires, but as far as and seats. But as far as that goes, it's going to be pretty much the way it should be. Anyway, all right. So she's going to get started cutting some parts and gluing some parts, and then you know, move on to painting some parts. You ready? You ready?
This is close.
All right. See you in a minute. All right. So good 4 or 5 days later. Sanding off mold lines. She got her chassis together. That'll all just be black for the most part. She can do some detail painting on the chassis, but it's pretty much ready to paint, so we'll be painting soon. I gave her the 600 to hit the mold lines, so you can really see it now when you sanded it. Let me see if I can get that to focus. Yeah, I got it. I got it. You ain't got to touch it. So yeah, anyway, it's got pretty significant mold lines over the fenders right here too, or the top of where the headlights are. So she's going to sand that down and get that ready for some primer. And we'll shoot the chassis with the Mr. Hobby. Mr. Finishing Surfacer Black. This stuff is like the most awesome flat black ever. So anyway, all right. She has got the primer on the body and the black, which is still wet, on the chassis. And she is sitting here, by the way, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So she's picked out, what is it?
Goodwood Green Metallic.
Goodwood Green Metallic enamel by MCW. So unless she changes her mind, that might be the paint she goes with, which is like a deep green metallic. She was looking at pictures on the internet of Porsches that were Goodwood, but most of them pulled up just the Goodwood festival they have over there. But she got those mold lines off the body. That looks good, because usually primer will really show stuff up, and it looks really good. Let me see. Yep, that's pretty. All right, well. So, it's going to be a race car, but it's going to be a street racer, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So, you don't want to use any of the decals? Stuff?
I don't know yet.
She don't know yet. I told her.
I don't want those.
Oh, yeah, well, that's Jägermeister. We won't use the Jägermeister for sure. Because, I mean, that's like a sponsor. It wouldn't look right, I don't think, on a green car.
That's not ugly. I just don't like the deer head things.
Yeah, well,
I don't like that.
Yeah, so maybe the number on the side, because, you know, these people that have race cars that aren't sponsored by anybody, they'll have a number, which will look real cool. And it will be like a race car, but I forgot, it's going to have street tires on it. Some of this MCV products. We hadn't decided yet which wheel and tire. And I don't know if I mentioned this earlier in the video, I might have, but because they're slicks, she wants kind of a street racer. Which the wheels are cool, but they wouldn't fit any of the 3D printed stuff. So anyway, all right, so I guess we'll stop it here at this point. And it's a very simple model kit. It does have, so she will have to take where the one seat mounted, it's got these raised mounts. She'll have to grind those out. So I've got a Dremel with like this grinder end on it, so she'll have to do that. But as far as that goes, all right, close it out for me. It's been a while. You probably haven't watched my videos in a while. You don't even know what I say anymore, do you? All right, so do appreciate y'all. Thanks for all you do. And I know when Ruthie does a video, you guys are super supportive. So say thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, say thank you. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Do appreciate you. Hobby Nut Models. I've got so many links in my head that they always, because I say mcvproducts.net, it always comes. I meant MCW paint, but I actually meant hobbynutmodels.com. If you want some of that great MCW paint, go over there and check him out. hobbynutmodels.com, always linked in the description of the videos. Go check out Mark's website, grab yourself a model kit. Matter of fact, that's where this one came from. So pretty much everything so far, the glue that she glued it with, the paint that she painted it with, and the model kit all came from hobbynutmodels.com. So go over there, check it out, hobbynutmodels.com. And Mark's a great guy. Really appreciate him and all he's done for my channel. And mcvproducts.net, where you can grab yourself some seats. Matter of fact, those are the seats that we picked out. Those are some seats that I offer on the website. They're right there waiting to go into this Porsche. I think those are actually Bugatti seats, but anyway, they'll look good in this Porsche. And mcvproducts.net, get yourself some 3D printed stuff. And thank you to my Patreon members, and thank you to Ruthie for coming out here finally and doing something. Maybe she'll finish this one. It's an easy kit, so I think we'll finish this one.
Yeah, I like it because it have the whole motor and everything.
Yeah, the whole motor and everything. But you know what? Guess what? That Corvette didn't have a motor and everything either.
Forgot.
She kind of forgot about it. Maybe we can get back on that and finish it up too. But anyway, hopefully, I told her, I said maybe we can get this done by the North Charleston, South Carolina SCMA show, and she could have it there, looking like a street racer. So anyway, Ruthie is now officially an adult as far as model classes go. 17 years old, so she had to enter the Pumpkin Mobile at Simpsonville in the adult class, and she took second place, believe it or not. That is crazy. So all right, guys, thanks for watching. Do appreciate you. And until next time, here's Ruthie, and I'm behind the camera. You should see me right now. You should see me right now. You should see me right now. Because I can't see very well.
Use magnifying glasses.
I got my magnifying glasses, so I'm putting them on to see.
It's like a scientist.
I am a scientist. Alright, guys. Y'all take care. See ya. Bye.